Hi, so today I'm going to walk you through the steps after getting out of the shower, washing my hair, and the product that I'm using today is NUELE, and I'm going to be using about 2 to 8 drops, and my hair is damp, but it's not dripping wet, but I'm just going to use my towel to blot it dry a bit, and then I'm also going to detangle using my Denman brush after I've applied the product. So I'm going to do 2 to 5, 6 drops, I'll say, on one side. So I'm applying it on the left side, working it through from the top to the bottom of my curls. So now I'm going to only add a few drops as a heat protectant to blow dry my hair. And I'm going to do one side to demonstrate. Again, staying at the top and working my way at the bottom. This is a really good way to work in the product. You get all the strands. And as you can see, this side has product in it, it's dry, but it's curly. And then this side, we're just gonna add a little bit more heat, get a little bit more of a blowout. Okay, so now that we have that, you can see my hair doesn't look frayed or frizzy. It's soft, still smell the product, and then we're gonna straighten.